Hi guys, just doing a quick vlog of the room at the Enclave Suites and Hotel on Carrier Drive, just off of International Drive. I was going to do it when we got here, but everything was really manic, everyone was knackered, so I'm going to do a quick vlog of the room today. It's not as pristine as it was when we arrived. I've cleaned it best I can and straightened up the beds, but obviously when you first arrive it'll be nice crisp bedding, and obviously the floor will be clean where we've got a few crumbs everywhere, but it'll just give you an idea of what the room's like, the size and things like that. So we're in room 1003 on floor 10 in block 1. Here we go. So 1003, you come in, you've got quite a large living area. You've got your kitchen there. It's got a nice work surface there, like granite worktops and a sink. We have a full-size dishwasher, which is handy. Plenty of cupboards. You get a kettle, and they give you a pouch of Starbucks coffee when you get here. There's a little like oven grill, a coffee maker. You get a microwave, a full-size, oh, we've left some bits in there, just realised, fridge and freezer. There. So that's quite handy for your bits. You get cutlery and you get some utensils, plenty of glasses to use, some plates and bowls. You've got some saucepans there. So the double sofa bed in the lounge pulls out, so 2 people can sleep on there. And there's your curtains and your blinds. It's just lovely view. We've got a volcano bay. So you get a table, glass little coffee table with 4 chairs. It's quite a big living room really. You get a TV. So you come into the one room. On the one side you've got 2 single beds and a bedside cabinet, drawers, and they've got shutters on the window. You come in, you've got a bathroom. It's quite nice to have the 2 bathrooms. There's your sink unit, and they supply you with soap and shampoo. Hi. There's you get a shower in here and a bath, and the towels look nicer when you first arrive. We left that one like that when we came so you could see it, but they're all like that in both the bathrooms. There's a fan. You get a full-length mirror there, and you've got some storage space there for all your things, somewhere to put your suitcases, some hangers. So that's that. So then we go to the other side of the room, and you've got the double bedroom, the double bed, a side table, sideboard with drawers, again with the shutters on the window. You get a TV, you get big wardrobe. Stupid sod. That's my husband being a wally. Little shit. You don't get one of them in the bedrooms. There's only one, Nigel. You get quite a large safe, an ironing board. It's quite a big, you've got hangers and a suitcase thing and a shelf up there. My husband's still laughing, he's a wally. And then you come into the bathroom. You've got a big mirror and a vanity unit again, and your loo, and then you get like a walk-in sort of shower here, which is all lovely. And then This isn't a, we booked through Virgin, but this isn't a superior bedroom. This is the standard room with the terrace. And look at the size of that. Get some sun loungers and a table with a parasol on. And if you fetch some pegs with it and a little bit of line, you can put it across there and it gives you somewhere to hang washing. There's laundrette facilities on at least 1 or 2 floors in each of the buildings. This is block 1. Last year we was in room 1806, which is the other side there, just the other side of this wall here, and you get a view of that hotel over there. But this is 1003. You can see there's other people's balconies there, and they've hung their washing up there. So you can see Universal over there, the Hulk and Riptide Rocket. That's the Ramada Plaza Hotel. And this side of block 1 you get a view of the lake and Volcano Bay, which is really nice. There's one of the main pools. There's also one the other side, and then in that building down there is the pool and the car park. That is block 3, I believe. This is also part of our balcony down here. So that would be our bedroom. That there's the living room, and then this window over there is the kids' room. So there's the grounds. You've got a playground, and there is a pergola somewhere around here which we haven't actually ever been to. And also over there in the evenings you can see the fireworks going off in Magic Kingdom. So we've seen the Happily Ever After fireworks from here, and the Hallowishes, which I have done a video of, so I shall show you that. Bye bye Enclave Suite.